Artificial intelligence has become essential to modern applications, and now it's easier than ever to bring it into the Java world. Meet Spring AI, a new Spring project that makes AI a first-class citizen for Java developers. Whether you're building a chatbot, integrating natural language features, or experimenting with retrieval-augmented generation, Spring AI helps you do it with the Spring Boot skills you already know. So what exactly is Spring AI? Think of it as a unified way to add AI capabilities to your Spring Boot apps. It provides consistent abstractions, like ChatClient, that work across multiple AI providers. You're not locked in. Whether you want to use OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, Ollama for local models, or AWS Bedrock, Spring AI keeps your code clean and flexible. Getting started is refreshingly easy. Head over to start.spring.io and create a new Spring Boot project. Add your usual web starter and simply pick the AI model you want. Spring AI uses auto-configuration, so once you provide your API key and model details, you're ready to call AI right from your Java code. No steep learning curve, no new framework to master. One of the best parts? Flexibility. You can swap providers by just changing the property in your configuration file. Start locally with something like Ollama for quick prototyping, then switch to a cloud-hosted model for production, all without rewriting your code. Spring AI isn't just about sending a text prompt and getting a response. It includes tools like prompt templates for consistent interactions, streaming responses for real-time experiences, and chat memory so conversations stay context-aware. Need advanced AI features? We've got your support. You've got support for embedding and vector stores, letting you build retrieval-augmented generation, so your apps can search custom data and answer questions about it. For Java teams, this means rapid innovation without leaving the ecosystem you know. Prototype AI features in minutes. Scale them with the same Spring Boot patterns you already trust. No need to learn a brand new AI framework. Spring AI brings it all to you. If you've been curious about adding AI to your Java apps, there's never been a better time. Start simple, scale when you're ready, and bring the power of AI into your Spring Boot projects with ease. Explore Spring AI and start building today. So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments or email us. Follow us on all socials at Trivera Tech to make sure you don't miss out on any of our content. Trivera Tech, where experience is everything.